Extending Liferay Commerce. In this video, we're going to have a look at some of the most common extension points within Liferay Commerce and how they provide flexibility to the Liferay Commerce system. The first extension point we're going to look at is a new product type. So product types can be used to group products together that share similar characteristics. Out of the box, we have the simple, grouped and virtual product types, but you can also create a new product type to accommodate products that fall outside of these out-of-the-box products. So you can also create a new product type for any products or group of products that fall outside of the out-of-the-box types. So that might be a service or a gift card or something particular to your business. Our second extension point is the discount rule type. So out of the box, Liferay has 3 discount rule types. So these are cart total, has all of these products, has one of these products. So if you remember correctly, this is a discount that can be applied to an order if the cart total is, say, above a certain price, or if the order contains certain specified products or has one specified product. So you might want to create a new discount rule type in the event of something specific to your business needs, like it has a product with a certain option or a certain combination of products are in the order. It's possible to create a customized tax engine for Liferay Commerce. A tax engine performs the calculation for taxes when a transaction is made. Out of the box, Liferay Commerce has 2 tax engines, that's by address and by fixed rate. So a custom tax engine might be useful for situations in which a flat tax should be applied to the transaction. So this might be in certain regions, you need a very specific tax, or a new tax is based on certain products. You may need to use a new tax engine rule to accommodate this. It's also possible to add a customized shipping engine. Shipping engines process shipping options to determine which of the available options will be shown to the user and for what price. Out of the box, Liferay Commerce has 3 shipping engines. That's the flat rate engine, the variable rate engine, and a FedEx engine. So in the event that you wanted to integrate with a different courier service, for instance DHL or any local service, then this is where you could do it. You could integrate with their API and provide those costs via a shipping engine. So Liferay Commerce allows you to create custom checkout steps. If you remember from using the checkout process, out of the box Liferay Commerce comes with the shipping address, payment information, order confirmation, amongst others. With the custom checkout step, you can configure it to only appear when purchasing goods or services. With a custom checkout step, you can configure it to only appear for when you want it to appear. That might be when you're purchasing a particular good or service. So for example, it could be that if you've purchased a garage service, you could have a checkout step that requires you to say which garage location you want to pick. You can also create a customized exchange rate provider. An exchange rate provider in Liferay Commerce uses a data source to perform exchange calculations between currencies. Out of the box, Liferay Commerce uses the European Central Bank exchange rate provider. A custom exchange rate provider would enable Liferay Commerce to utilize potentially more favorable exchange rates from another source. So this could be other banks or a foreign exchange market. Liferay Commerce also allows you to create a new payment method other than the ones that come with Liferay Commerce out of the box. So out of the box, it comes with Authorize.net, Mercanet, Money Order, and PayPal. So this is one of the most commonly used extension points for Liferay Commerce, and you can see why. There are so many different payment systems online. It's really important for Liferay Commerce to be flexible in this area. So for instance, you could have a new payment method that could be used to authorize alternative payment services. With this extension point, any of these services like Google Checkout or Amazon Pay can be used with Liferay Commerce. You're also able to create a custom product content renderer for Liferay Commerce. So when navigating the catalog and you click on a product, this is a custom renderer that will change how that product is displayed. A product content renderer provides a style of displaying product details for a particular product type. Out of the box, Liferay Commerce provides product content renderers for each of the out of the box product types, as well as one created for the Minium theme. Custom product renderers can be developed to further customize the look and feel of products in the storefront. So for example, if you had a new product type of gift card, maybe for the renderer, you would like to display the gift card in a certain way. So maybe you want a special image display that shows the front and the back of the card, and you only want to use that render for that particular product type. That's something that can be achieved here with the custom product content renderer. It's possible to create a new product publisher data source for Liferay Commerce. A product data source provides a unique way to search for related products with the product publisher widget. Out of the box, Liferay Commerce provides several product data sources, including one that searches by categories and product relations. A new product data source could be used to give customers a greater variety in the products that they view by establishing links between products that are not available out of the box. This could be products belonging to the same brand, products ending in the same word. So when you're viewing a product, it's possible to have a list of recommended or similar products below. Now, how you define this list is basically what the product publisher data source is all about. So you can define a specific data source for your tailored product. So if you have your new product type of gift card and you just want the related products to be perhaps envelopes that fit that gift card or have some sort of relation that might be pretty specific to the product type you're looking at, this is how you're going to do that. So you can programmatically do that yourself, and it can be really tailored to what the buyer is currently looking at. Liferay Commerce has the concept of an order validator. So an order validator is a class that validates the order before you go to checkout or before you add items to the cart. Out of the box, Liferay Commerce provides several order validators, including a default, as well as validators that check items versions and subscriptions. A new order validator could be used to prevent certain combinations of items being added to the cart. So you could limit the number of items above a certain price that can be purchased at the same time. Or in some instances, you might want to say if a certain type of product is in the cart already, then don't allow a different type of product to be also added. And you can provide customized error messages to explain to the user why this operation isn't permitted. So as we discussed on our lecture around stock management, we can provide a custom low stock action. So low stock actions are used to perform specific tasks when inventory for a product falls below a certain threshold. Out of the box, Liferay has one low stock action, that is to set the product to unpublished. With a custom low stock action, you could potentially do things like log a warning message or begin the process of creating a back order. So as you can see, when you use Minium, Liferay Commerce supports the use of themes. So in Liferay, themes customize the default look and feel of a site. They use standard components like CSS, JavaScript, and HTML, along with free marker templates. CSS extensions and patterns come out of the box, and support with SASS and multiple JavaScript frameworks are also included. Liferay Commerce specific themes are developed in much the same way as those which are developed for Liferay DXP. A great example of this is the Minium theme, which you can see when you use the Minium site template.